Greetings everyone. So today we're going to replace these amber side markers to these white side markers on the Porsche Panamera 970 Turbo. Alright, so it's very easy. You have to depress this to pop it out and unclip this so the harness is unclipped and you can slide it out. I'll show you exactly where this is on the front bumper, but I have to install this, so there you go. So as you see over here, that's the harness, but you have to go in here, pop this out, and you'll see the clip over there. Once you press the clip hard enough that it comes out of here and then it slides out, but make sure you take out the harness because there's not enough slack in this harness. So now I'm going to install this clear right over here. Watch. Very simple, just pops in. So front side goes in first, then as you push this in, you'll hear a click. Now, like I mentioned, there's not enough slack in the harness, so once I pop this in, I peeled off this plastic cover, and on the back end I just put the harness back in, and they look amazing. They're clear. When the car is turned off, it doesn't even, it's there. It's not that noticeable as an amber light, but it looked beautiful. So I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know your comments, your questions about these lights. They're generic from eBay, but I'll share more information with you guys. Just let me know if you have any questions. Again, these go clear, so I'll just wait a few minutes. There you go. And they look aesthetically very in sync with the rest of the theme of the car. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know your questions or queries.